Good morning, all. Welcome to your English class. So, in today's English class, we are going to start the new chapter from your English Reader textbook. The title of this chapter is The Magic Paint Brush. So, this is nothing but the story of one boy named Jack who loves to draw pictures. Okay. One day, the old man, see, it is shown in this picture. One day, the old man gave him the magical paintbrush. Okay. So, Jack started drawing the paintings with the help of that magical paintbrush. But what was the magical about this paintbrush? The things which Jack used to draw with that paintbrush used to come in एग्जिस्टेंस इन रियल. वो जो भी अपने पेंट ब्रश से ड्रॉ करता था वो सच हो जाता था. जैसे इस पिक्चर में दिखा है, एज शोन इन दिस पिक्चर, जैक ड्रीव वन डक on the paper with the help of that paintbrush, and that duck came in alive. वो duck सच बन गया और वो उड़ के फिर इस pond में चला गया. So that was the magical thing about that paintbrush. Whatever he used to draw with that paintbrush, those things used to become real. Okay. So Jack decided to help poor and needy people with this magical paint brush. So Jack ने क्या करा, उसने सोचा कि मेरे पास तो एक जादुई पेंट ब्रश है, तो क्यों ना मैं इसका इस्तेमाल गरीब और ज़रूरतमंद लोगों की मदद करने के लिए शुरू कर दूँ. So one day he found one farmer who was plowing his land by himself. He was not having any bullock. ओके, बुल. तो जैक को बड़ा ही बुरा लगा कि ये फार्मर जो है वो जो अपनी ज़मीन है वो खुद ही खुदाई कर रहा है, उसमें खुद ही उसमें जो है प्लाविंग कर रहा है. प्लाविंग मतलब टर्निंग अप द सॉइल विथ अ प्लाह. ओके, तो उसको बहुत ही बुरा लगा. तो इसलिए उसने क्या करा, उसकी हेल्प करने के लिए ही ड्रीव दी बुलॉक ऑन दी पेपर. तो उसने जैसे ही ड्रॉ कर दिया पेपर के ऊपर बैल को, वो बैल, बुलॉक मतलब बैल, वो बैल सच हो गया. एंड ही गिफ्टेड दैट बुलॉक टू द फार्मर. ओके, इन दिस वे ही स्टार्टेड हेल्पिंग द पुअर एंड needy people. So one day the king of that kingdom where Jack used to live got to know about this magical paintbrush. So he wanted that Jack should paint gold coins and the money for the king. But Jack refused to do that because Jack knew king is already very rich. He has lots of money with him and wealth. Why he is needing more money and more gold coins? There is no need to draw gold coins for him, है ना. Jack have decided that he'll help only poor and needy people. But king was not poor, neither he was needy of money, है ना. So Jack refused to do that for the king. So king got very angry on the Jack. So king arrested him and put him in the jail. And then Jack used his paintbrush to ran away from the jail. Jail means prison. Okay, so Jack used his paintbrush to run away from that king's jail or the prison. So in this way I have narrated you the story in brief. So I hope you have developed the interest. Now we will discuss this chapter in detail. I'll read one paragraph at a time and then we'll explain you the meaning of that paragraph. So are you interested to listen this story? Okay, chalo, we'll start.